Hello, beautiful witches. Welcome back to my channel, Callie Contours here. Today, I have a review for you. It is a new brand called PARIAH House Cosmetics. I first found them on Macaulay. I saw that this one woman was posting a lot of this one brand of indie makeup, and I was like, what is this? And then I found the website, and it ended up being the creator of the brand who was posting extras on Macaulay. But I just fell in love with like the whole mission statement about like, being a pariah and feeling like that and wanting to feel beautiful. And I talked with the owner a little bit over Instagram, and she just started playing with making makeup during when the pandemic first hit, and she started her own brand, and I wanted to give it a try. I am wearing the Strange and Unusual palette on my eyes. This is the palette, gorgeous. I also have a few other shades I want to talk about, a highlight and a lip gloss. So let's talk about the lip gloss first. So this is the, oh, what is it? This is from the Inspired collection. And this is a collaboration with somebody named Alyssa Scoos, and I forgot the name of the diseases. But Alyssa Scoos has this, what's called the suicide disease, where it's just intense pain. And so this collection helps fund research for the disease. And I just, I'll post in here. You can pause the video and read about it. But it just really kind of touched my heartstrings, and I wanted to help out and get a gloss. So this is the gloss. It's like a, duochrome kind of gloss, golden, like that. I have it over the, Milani lipstick in Desire. So it's the Milani lipstick in Desire, and I just put the gloss over it. The gloss costs $13, and it's okay. Like, I'm not a big gloss person. It's pretty, and I really like the packaging. It's super cool. But I don't think I would necessarily buy it again. Maybe if there was like a blue glitter gloss, like Kaleidos used to have this blue glitter gloss that I loved, then I might. She can also like make your own. You can make your own custom lip glosses and eyeshadows through her. You guys really should check her out. Okay, so what else? Let's see. The palette cost $23 for these 4 duochromatic shades. Okay, here, let me plug in the little clip I made of me doing the eyeshadow. Here you go. Okay, so this is the Strange and Unusual palette from PARIAH House Cosmetics, and you see the shades on the back. This is what it looks like. Let's do some swatches. I really do love this palette. I've been taking it with me when I go home to visit my husband. Okay, so let's see. This first one is Strange and Unusual. And then we have Give Me the Deets. Wow. Let's see. And then we have Living Dead and Utterly Alone. These swatched really nice. Like, look at Strange and Unusual. That is incredible. And Give Me the Deets is so like, oh, purple in your face. Then Living Dead is that nice lime green. And then Utterly Alone is a beautiful murky black that has like pink particles in it. Gorgeous. Okay, so let's put it on the eyes. I kind of always do the same eye look when I do the work with this palette. So I go in to the black shade, which is Utterly Alone, and I put that in the corner. I did just take off some eye makeup, so you might see some like remnants. I had the Hella palette from Odin's Eye on my eyes earlier. So I just kind of like make a wing like that. And just kind of like wing it out. It's going to be a little bit messy, but that's okay, because then we're going to go into a fluffy brush and take, what is this called? Give Me the Deets on a fluffy brush, and just kind of pat it over and blend it out. Usually I do the green on this part of the eye, but I feel like doing the purple. Yep, just blend out the wing and bring it in here a bit. I've been using sparkly shades as like a matte. Like normally you wouldn't do what I'm doing now with a sparkly shade, but I've been doing it lately. I've been taking inspiration from Lauren May Beauty, and she brings the sparkle all the way up. So I've just been using shimmer shades as a sparkle lately. Okay, then we're going to go into Strange and Unusual. I'm going to put that here on the outer part of the lid. And I'm going to flip the brush and go into Living Dead on the inner corner. I like how like messy and grungy this look is. Like it definitely screams Beetlejuice with, you know, the purple and the green, but it's just super grungy and I love it. Okay, I'm gonna go into Strange and Unusual under the eyes. Just add a little duochrome liner, kind of. Okay. I'm going to put liner and mascara on and I'll be OB. Okay, here is the finished look with the Strange and Unusual palette. In my waterline, I used Viper by Urban Decay, and this is just black eyeliner from PYT. Excuse my lipstick line, I'll fix it in a moment. But yeah, I think like the duochromes are really magical, and I just love this eyeshadow palette. It's great. Okay, back to the review. Okay, so along with this palette, what also came in the collection is the Ghost with the Most highlighter, and it's the highlight that I'm wearing today. Isn't that just gorgeous? This is how the packaging comes. It was, let me see, $6.50 for this highlight. One thing I will say though is that it's only like half filled. Like I feel like they could have filled it a bit more, but for $6.50, I mean, it's not a big deal. It's a gorgeous highlight for that price. So I kind of wanted to try every eyeshadow on every price level. Let me get my little coffin book of shadows. So first up, this one is called Transfiguration, and it costs $6.50. So let's give it a swatch. There's that one. Pretty. And then we have Realm, which costs $5.50. Ooh, pretty. And then we have Unicorn Blood, which cost $15. She did say that the shadows were priced according to the cost of the materials to make them. So this one's more of like an iridescent multi-chrome. But so this is like pink gold reflex, and these have more of a solid color. This one's a little bit more sheer, the $15 one, which is called Unicorn Blood. Honestly, I think Unicorn Blood might be my least favorite just because it's more sheer. I think the purple called Realm, which was the cheapest, is my favorite just because it's the most unique to my collection. Um, but yeah, those are the 3 individual shadows that I got from them. And so I think that's everything in my order. Now, I do want to tell you guys about the promo code. This is like my first ever promo code, and it is so exciting. Okay, so if you use code Cali Contours, that will save you 10% off your entire order. It's like a really big deal that I have a promo code, and I'm really happy that it's with like a small independent brand. And I was talking to the owner, and she was like, and I was saying like, I only have 40 subs. She was like, it's okay, we can grow together. And I was like, oh, you were so sweet. So yeah, use code Cali Contours to save 10% on your order and support a small budding indie brand. I mean, the shadows really speak for themselves. Like Cleona quality, okay? Like, you would be a fool to miss out on these. So, yep, check out PARIAH House Cosmetics, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review. As always, stay weird.